This video is a guide to help make it easier to install your onboard Slide DLX infant car seat featuring SafetySlide Base. Let's get ready to install your new onboard slide with the rigid latch connectors. Start by extending the rigid latch connectors from the base. Repeat for the other side. Next, place the base on the vehicle seat so that the connectors are aligned with the lower anchors. Push the base towards the back of the vehicle seat until both the connectors are attached to the anchors. Ensure that the base is securely attached to the lower anchors by checking for the green indicator on both rigid latch connector release buttons and pulling the base away from the vehicle seat back. To install the base with a vehicle belt, start by placing the base rear-facing in the back seat of your chosen seating position. Lift the lock-off release lever. Keep the lock-off open to route the belt. Route the lap or shoulder belt through the vehicle belt path guide, and then pull it across the top of the car seat and out the other side. Be sure to not twist the belt. Next, buckle the vehicle belt. Place your hand in the base. Firmly push the base down and back towards the vehicle seat back while pulling the belt towards you in line with the belt path. Push the release lever down to close the lock-off and check the tension indicators. The red on both indicators will turn completely green when the vehicle belt is tightened correctly. No red should be showing. Does your car have a switchable retractor? If so, you must use it to lock the belt. Slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out, then let it go back in 1 to 2 inches. Gently pull the belt to see if it has locked. You will not be able to pull any more of the belt out if the lock is engaged. When the base is installed in a vehicle, you can slide it in and out when attaching and removing the carrier. To slide the base out, squeeze and unlock the slide handle on the side of the base while pulling the slide out towards you. To slide the base in, you can then push the slide in until it locks into place on the base. Verify the base is securely locked by checking that the slide indicators are green and pushing or pulling the slide to ensure it does not move. If the indicators are red or if the slide moves, then the slide is not fully locked. First, slide the base out by squeezing the slide handle while pulling the slide out towards you. Attach the car seat to the base by aligning the slots on the side of the car seat with the lock bars on the base. Push down firmly on the carry handle and front of the car seat until it clicks, locking it in place on the base. Push in the slide until it locks into place. Verify the base is securely locked by checking that the slide indicators are green and pushing or pulling the slide to ensure it does not move. Check the level line. Redo the base installation if the level line is not parallel with the ground. You can also use the recline foot to adjust the angle of the base. To open the recline foot, lift up the base slightly while pulling out the recline foot handle. The recline foot will pop out automatically. Push the handle back in completely to extend the locking pins behind the support legs and lock the recline foot in place. Slide the base out by squeezing the slide handle while pulling the slide out towards you. From the back of the car seat, push the base release handle up and lift the car seat out of the base. Slide the base in and make sure it is securely locked in place. Verify the base is securely locked by checking that the slide indicators are green and pushing or pulling the slide to ensure it does not move. If the indicators are red or if the slide moves, then the slide is not fully locked.